Good morning, guys. Nirvana's breakfast, and she wants to vlog about it. Say hi, Nirvana. Look here. Look here. Welcome back to my vlog. Okay, you see, welcome back to my... what happened? Welcome back to my vlog at Manangina 5.5. This is Nirvana. What are you eating?
Ice cream with cookies and cream.
And it's your breakfast. Say hi to Ate Lona.
Hi, my birthday.
Hi, Ate Maika. How about Ate Maika? Say hi, Ate Maika. Who is your bestie? Who is your bestie? Hi, bestie.
Maka ang corona.
So are you going to school later?
Yes, I do. I'm excited.
Are you excited? Very good. Shout out, Mom Grace. Shout out. Mom Grace, shout out.
Can you please open the door?
Why?
With mommy?
Mommy is there still sleeping because mommy has no work today.
Okay.
So let her sleep. Is Nirvana a good girl?
Yes, I'm happy.
And you will be going to school later, right?
Yes, I'm happy.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Say hello to Mom Dilit, okay?
Okay.
Be a good girl to Mom Dilit, ha? And to your classmates. You behave, you listen to your teacher, okay? How old are you?
5.
Five.
Good.
5. Nirvana is 5 years old. What is your full name? Nirvana. What is your name? I will get some paper towel to stay there.
To the table.
Huh?
I need to open the door.
Okay. Hello guys. Good morning everyone. Welcome to our vlog, Nirvana and Mama. Happy Monday to all. Nag-walking kami ni Nirvana. Ay nag-bye here. Ginuhutakbolos. I'm sweating guys. For only how many steps walking to 7-Eleven. At least may nakuya na walking. Nirvana, say hi everyone. Kumusta po kayo? Sarang anay, kumusta
Kumusta?
po kayo?
Tayo.
Nirvana is na iskela. Hi, ni mo iskelahan. No. I will get some kuan. Mapasok guys sa Pilipinas guys. Mapapaso.
The table is clean.
Use the... Okay.
My table is clean.
Yes, I know. Excuse me.
Water.
Hold this one. I have my water there.
Okay.
Good.
Where?
On the pillow, under the pillow.
Under?
Yeah. On the other side. Ito man.
Huh?
Ito man it wall.
What?
Dito Dito, be. Dito. Ato man. Look at my fingers.
Where?
Okay.
Open.
Careful ha, nga diri mahuwad. Okay, you sit na. You finish.
I want ice.
You want ice? Why it's not cool?
Yeah, but it's hot.
Insuguan lula. Napakuhan ice. Aga pa guys. Time check. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. Pero grabe nakapaningot. Grabe kapinit sa Pilipinas day. Nganong man inana diri kainit. So, are you done vlogging now?
Nope.
Not yet?
Yes.
Okay, then talk to them. How are you guys?
Ice cream.
Show them your breakfast. Is that your breakfast?
Ice cream.
Hayahay sa buhay ni Nirvana. Shout out sa mga nanonood kay Nirvana. Thank you for watching. Shout out to Nanay Bu because Nanay Bu is watching you.
But the CCTV is not no more internet, but it's not changed screen.
I don't know with Mommy. Ask Mommy. Mommy, why there's no CCTV? I do not bring it to... Go back there, go back. Mommy will be, angry. Okay. See, goodbye now. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Wave, Anay, wave. Bye-bye. Nirvana.
Bye-bye.
Sige na, kaya ako na i-off. Bye.
You want to?
Nirvana. Bye. Flying kiss. Thank you guys for watching Nirvana's early vlog. Ingat-ingat po kayo kung nasaan man kayo kasi palagi lang nag-iingat si Nirvana dito at buong family. Shout out Uncle Bonico. Thank you for watching Ate Chloe and Kuya Cloud. Mama miss you. Miss you all guys. Baby Colin, Mommy. I love you all. So, makontento lang kung anong meron tayo para lagi lang tayong masaya. Okay? Let's be happy always. Lord for everything. Happy Monday to all of us. Thank you for watching. Sa senior citizen na taga Florida nakikibaka pero nandito ngayon sa Pilipinas nagba-vacation. Bye!